Hi everyone, this is Ming from SpecsBattle. So not too long ago, I reviewed the Yeti X Blue. It's a USB microphone. All right, so I want to use this one for most of my online talks with tutorials with the computer. So I plug in straight to my computer to do the screen recording. But for my other videos, I usually record it with my iPhone 14 Pro, which uses the Lightning cable. So today we are going to talk about how to connect any kind of USB mic to an iPhone that has the Lightning cable plug. Okay, let's get into it. All right, so let's talk about what kind of stuff that we need in order for your Yeti X Blue to connect to your iPhone. Of course, you need your microphone itself, the iPhone, and this is the most important thing that you need to have in order to for it to work. So this is an adapter. It's a Lightning cable to USB and the Lightning cable adapter. So what we're going to do now is going to connect your Yeti, right, with your micro USB cable in the back to the adapter here, okay, in the USB. So after you have connected your USB to the adapter here, you want to connect the power into the Lightning cable plug here. So what you're going to do is you're gonna have the power supply that comes with your phone, plug this into the wall, and the power of the Lightning cable, all right, it goes to the cable here. Okay, now you can use this wall plug to plug into the wall, or if you're mobile, you can use a power bank like this. Okay, let's say we're gonna use the power bank for right now. I'm gonna plug it in. Okay, let's turn, and next from here, see, let's recap a little bit. So we have the USB from the Yeti and the power supply into here in the adapter. And then on the other side of the supply, you are going to plug into your phone. After you plug the Lightning cable to your iPhone, now the power is going to supply the power to the iPhone and the microphone itself. As you can see that the microphone is already light up. Once you plug it in, it will light up itself. Just like if you plug the microphone straight into your computer, it will light up with the power. All right, I'm just using the handheld for my iPhone right now. I am recording with the Yeti X Blue as my mic into this iPhone right here. So how do you like the sound? Okay, so this is the Yeti X Blue microphone sound connected to the iPhone. So I'm going to unplug it and you can see the sound difference. All right, so right now I'm recording again with just the iPhone 14 Pro, the internal microphone. So that's how it sounds like. All right, guys, I'm just going to end the video with the recap. Your USB mic, plug it in, and then you plug into the USB port to the adapter here. And then you plug the power supply to your power source. It could be any power source from the power bank or the wall plug-in, right? And then the adapter connects to your iPhone. And that is how you get the sound from the USB mic. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the video with just my iPhone here with the Yeti as my mic. Yeah, so what do you guys think about the quality of the sound of the Yeti? Leave a comment. If you found this video to be helpful, please like and subscribe the video. Until next time, take care.